Well, I'm on my way up to go look at 560. Doing a little trading. Got my old car trailer, not partial trade, but we'll see what the tractor looks like. But talking to the guy and looking at it online, looks pretty good. So we'll see when I get up there. It's about a 45-minute drive north from me. All right, well, that 560 I went to look at, it's got a couple issues. We'll see if we can get them up and going, but maybe when it warms up, because it's like 15 degrees right now. But driving by an implement dealer, so I figured, oh, let's stop and do a walk around. What's that, probably a 6-foot snowblower? Here's a 4-bottom John Deere. That'd be a nice little blower too. But I figured I'd stop here, see what they got for tractors. Looks like you put all his snow blowers out front. There we go. That 560, that'd be perfect for that fast hitch back blade. Just a little... Wow, that's a heavy duty back blade there. There's another fast hitch. That one, I don't think that would work that well. She'd have to be laying pretty low to the ground. Anyway. Boy, this is an old thing. You drag that to scoop dirt. Alright. See what they got over here for tractors. Nice little Ford. I had seen this one online. It's a Super C. In my opinion, they're asking too much for it. But it's got the fast hitch on it. That's what caught my eye. Then put a little 2-bottom plow behind it, but I think they're asking like $2,500 for it. I don't think it's worth that. It does have nice tires on it. But, yeah. Not in the cards right now. Well, here's a little 8N. Looks like an 8N with the rims. And next door looks like another 8N. Someone repainted her a little bit. And then what do we got here? WD-45 with a trip bucket. Looks like they bought it at an auction. Looks like someone, it's got 2-way loader on here. That's interesting. Well, what is this? I've never seen one with a gauge cluster up here. Interesting. Yeah. Looks like a 45 though, but yeah, it's been... Oh, it's got power steering too. Well, how's he running 2-way hydraulics? Oh, duh, the valves. Big old brush hog. Alright, well, not seeing any tractors that I would go after. A little bale spear for a fast hitch. Other than that Super C, but yeah, not gonna spend that kind of money on a Super C. Oh, here's a nice little what is this, 3010? Not sure what model this is. It looks too small to be a 40. Gas, but not sure. What do we got over here? Someone repainted her. Front tires are a little... Oh, it's a 656. It's a gas. So I thought the 656 were side mounts. Yeah, there's the step, but with this loader here, it's kind of inconvenient. This should be the TA here. Tires look decent. This is your PTO lever here. Got the rims flipped on it, make it a little narrower. Westerndorf. So I guess this right here, that's for when it's cold. That flips it to warm it up. The intake on it. No lights on this thing though. Huh. Not impressed with the paint job. And let's see what else do they got here. I'm gonna have to put a glove on because it's getting cold holding this. Couple Case tractors. What, 886? It's got nice rubber on it. Not a bad looking rig. Way more than I would ever want. Well, unless I had some acreage, but it's too heavy for me to pull around just to do plow day and show it. 3788, the old Anteater. The Agri King. That's a cool shot. The sun setting on it. Let's see if we got M sitting back here. That's interesting, whatever those are. Let's see what this M is. It's got a corn planter hooked up to it. Tires are a little left to be desired. It says Super M. When we walk around the other side, we'll verify that. Got the high mount toolbox on it. Oh, and the mud scrapers. You don't see them very often. It is a Super M. So, did it have live hydraulics in? No. So, if it had live hydraulics, it'd be coming off of this. That's still coming off the belly pump. So, this does not have live hydraulics. And it has a flat tire. And a bent hitch. Yeah. Not really interested in that either. What's this? It's an H? Yeah, it's an H. She looks like she was sitting in a tree line for a while with that algae on it. The old style spoke. What we got laying here? Is this WD? Looks like this might be, I bet it's an H. Yep. H. 45 chassis. Looks like just a bunch of parts machines over that way. I'd bought my snap coupler plow from up here, probably 2 summers ago. Oh, look at that beast. Missing a few plows, so it must just be a parts one. Or moldboards, I should say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That seems odd. A 7 bottom? You think it'd be like an 8. Did I miss one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Huh. Alice Chalmers corn planter. There's a 4 bottom. Oh, 494 planter there. Looks like a 4 bottom, like a Model 70, but it's got those other style. Because this back end looks like my 60. So it could be a 60. Oh, it looks like they had a tree growing in there. So I bet they pulled this out of a wood line. And it's got the spring hitch under. Mine doesn't have that. I don't mind getting these coulters off of here. There's a 710 International plow sitting back there. I thought all the 710s had the spring resets on them. Huh. A couple Harrows. Alright, well, I'm not seeing anything here that caught my eye that I'd have to go after. Wonder what that's for. You drag it behind your cultivator for like a mulcher, but I'm not sure. A couple of running gears laying all around here. Nice little John Deere one. Saying about buying some running gear to make a people mover. Old New Holland feed mill. There's a couple old plows here too. Look at that old John Deere. That'd be a make good someone's lawn art. Or if you need parts. This had a couple Alice here the last time. Number 44 John Deere plow sitting over there. It's like an old ARPS snow blower. So this one is you drive over it, and then it blows it out. I just thought that was weird. If you drive over, you're just gonna pack it down. Oh, this is the manure spreader truck. Interesting. Here's some of those for digging ground too. Stone boat? No, I guess it's. What is that? A potato planter? So you sit there. Let's watch stuff. I'm not sure. Throw it in there and it plants. Looks like an old wood splitter. Missing the motor. Motor must mount there. Alright, well, a couple old elevators. 273 maybe? Baylor? Doesn't say. Looks like a 273. There you go. If you got a John Deere, you can stick that on the front for a weight box. Oh, there's an old case over there too. Old case grain drill. This must be an International grain drill? No, Melro. Huh. Don't know what model this is. Little utility tractor. Alright, well, that's all there is here. There's another John Deere plow. Bigger one. Alright, well, we'll see what happens with that 560.